UPS's mission is synchronizing global commerce through the use of goods, funds, and information. Now, that sort of speaks a lot to what UPS is all about. Also, UPS has over 400,000 employees worldwide. We're in over 200,000 countries. And we manage or handle about 14 million packages a day. So when you think about it from that perspective, you think about business process. In order to do all of those things in so many different places and so many different people and so many things, you have to be able to synchronize and have all of that organized. So you got to have good processes in place. So I understand process and how it works. And I was asked to come into the IT shared services group, and I was given a charge that my boss at the time came to me and said, okay, we've got 1,200 people in this group, and here's what I want you to do. I want you to tell me what is it that these 1,200 people do and how do they spend their time. That was our problem. That's what we were supposed to take a look at. When I first got there, I was told, we do a great job in performance service. And I continued to ask the question, how do you know that? And it was, we just know we do. Well, how do you know that? Now we have the metrics and statistics that tell us and support whether we're providing the service that is expected of us, internal to IT and those that we call our customers. And we also use that for our service level management. So we've come up with some unique ways to use Appian and the processes that they're in. So really when it drills down, we've sort of made this transition. We've gone from being a technology silo organization over the last couple of years to now we're a process service management organization. When we started this journey, we didn't know we were going to be at this place. We didn't start out to get here. But once we started and we kept learning and knowing more and looking at different opportunities that it would provide us, we were able to really start changing our direction and start adding value to what it was that we were doing. Managing IT as a business, which is really, really important. Challenges for CIOs used to be budgets, risk, delivering the service. That's all we really want to do. Now we've transitioned it over to improving business processes, improving agility on how we make decisions, and being able to be innovative, improve visibility, prioritize what it is that we do, streamline what we do, and be innovative. One of the things that we've taken on this year is we are trying to reduce our overall percent of time we spend on maintenance to change that to where we can convert that time to spend more time on new development. And in order to do that, you have to be more efficient on the maintenance side. And this is not getting rid of people or anything. This is just transitioning what it is that we do. And that's adding more value to the business. Bottom line is IT needs to be able to optimize cost and service. Tell you what, take that first step. Take the first step, because when you start, you'll be amazed at what you learn along the way. And by the way, the one thing we found is there is no script that was written that said if you do this, and this, you'll get to the end point. It's not out there. You're going to make it up as you go along, and you'll learn a lot on the way. So just do that. And the last thing is you don't know what you don't know, because you don't know what you don't know. And as we went along, we learned what we didn't know, and then we found out there were things that we didn't know. So we learned that too. But you don't know. So stop trying to figure out what it all is from the beginning. On the BPM journey, you won't find that out. Just get started with the whole thing. And the last thing, visions and dreams don't mean anything until someone does something. Thank you very much for your time.